So we are doing the line of symmetry for a rhombus. Now if we take one rhombus, hope you are able to see it actually. So if we take one rhombus over here, okay, if we take one rhombus, suppose this is one rhombus, this is one rhombus, okay. Now for it, if we take this line, this is not a line of symmetry. Then again if we take this line, this is also not a line of symmetry, because it doesn't make the rhombus into two equal, it's two equal part but not identical part, it doesn't divide, okay. Now if we take one line over here, then we are getting these two triangles. So we can say that this is a line of symmetry, these two triangles are equal and identical, so these two are, this is a line of symmetry. Again for similar diagonal, for the similar diagonal, if we take, these two are symmetry. So a rhombus has two number of symmetrical line, okay. Similarly for English alphabet also, English alphabet also, there will be different types of symmetry. Suppose we are taking A, an English alphabet A, then it has one line of symmetry, okay. B, it has one line of symmetry. D, C, it has one line of symmetry. D, it has one line of symmetry, okay. And U, there are various types of line of symmetry is given. I will give you the picture so that you will understand. It has only one line of symmetry. Then X, it's a very interesting for X. Suppose we are taking this as X, so there will be two line of symmetry for X, 1 and 2, two line of symmetry for X. Similarly for Y it is also given, okay. So this is the reflexional symmetry, okay. Next move to another thing, that is rotational symmetry. Next move to the rotational symmetry. Let us tell the definition of reflexional symmetry. A figure is said to be symmetrical about a line if it is identical on either side of L, on either side of L, mean each side of L, okay. So that is the definition of reflexional symmetry. Next move to rotational symmetry. A figure is said to have rotational symmetry if it fits onto itself more than once during a complete rotation. Understood? So that means, suppose we are taking one picture, one simple picture, this, hope you are able to see it. Now we are rotating it along anticlockwise. first rotation, that is 90 degree. So we are getting, for first rotation we are getting this figure. Okay, for second rotation we are getting, again it is rotating 90 degree. For second rotation we are getting this figure. For third rotation we are getting this figure, and for fourth rotation we are getting again this figure. So now for the 4 rotation, 1, 2, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this 4 rotation we are getting that only one times we are getting the figure that identical with my previous figure, the given figure. Okay, so it has one rotational symmetry, and that rotational degree or rotational symmetry degree, is equal to how much? 360, because 90, 90, 90, 94 into 90, that's equal to 360. Understood? Next, take to another figure. This figure. Okay, now we are rotating it. So first rotation 90 degree, we are getting this figure. Again second rotation 90 degree, that is we are getting this figure. Now this figure, as you can see, this figure is identical. This is identical with my given figure. It comes after how many degree rotation? 180 degree rotation. 90 into 90, 180 degree rotation. So again I am rotating it. So this is for 180 degree. If we are for 180 degree, again I am rotating it. We are getting this figure. Understood? Again I am rotating. So this is for 270 degree. This is for 90 degree. Again I am rotating it. We are getting this, and this is for 360 degree. So we can see that after 180 degree rotation and after 360 degree rotation, we are getting two figure that will identical with my given figure. Okay, so for this figure, the degree of rotational symmetry are 180 and 360. Okay, so this is the concept of rotational symmetry. Hope you understood. Next, move to take another figure, that is one triangle. This triangle I am taking, this triangle, and taking this as axis of the triangle. Now we are moving the axis along it. So for first movement we are getting this figure. This is for first movement. For second movement we are getting this figure. Is for second movement. For third movement we are getting this figure. Not movement, it should be rotation. For third rotation we are getting this figure, and for the fourth rotation finally, so it comes for 90 degree, it is for 180 degree, it is for 270 degree. Next for 360, for 360 we are getting again the previous figure. This is for 360 degree. So the rotational symmetry degree or degree of rotational symmetry is how much? Degree of rotational symmetry is equal to how much? 360 for this particular figure. Understood? Next, take another figure, another triangle, that is equilateral, another equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. So, however degree we can move it, however degree, that is first we are moving it. This is the figure. Now first we are moving it along 90 degree. If we move along 90 degree, we are getting, this axis would be 90 degree, so we are getting this type of figure. Okay. Next, along 180 degree, similar figure we are getting. Next, along sorry viewers, for this figure we are taking the this is the original figure. We are taking next 120 degree. So after rotating 120 degree, we are getting this similar figure. After rotating 120 degree, again after rotating 240 degree, we will get again similar figure 240. I will provide you the picture so that you will understand it easily. Next, obviously 360. This is for 360 degree. Okay. Similarly, if we take one square, we are taking one square. For square, this is the first rotation. This is without rotation. Next, if we move this along through 90 degree, moving through 90 degree, okay, we are getting the similar figure. Again by moving 90 degree, we are getting the similar square. Again by moving 90 degree, we will get the similar square. Actually this figure is small in drawing, but I am just want to show you that it. So it has at 90 degree, this is for 90, this is 180, this is 270, and again this is for 360. Okay, so this figure has next take another figure, that is some alphabet. And one thing that I want to tell you that for this line, we are getting a symmetry in how many degree? 360 degree. So here we can tell that the order of symmetry or rotational symmetry, order of rotational symmetry for this particular figure is 1, because why? Because in one time it will get symmetrical. Now similarly for this line, the order of symmetry is order of symmetry is 2, obviously rotational symmetry. For a square, order of symmetry is equal to 4. Okay. For an equilateral triangle, order of symmetry equal to how much? 4. So these are called the order of symmetry. 4, no, not 4, sorry, this is 3. I will provide you the picture. Similarly, for the English letter H, then I, then N, O, S and X, each of these words has symmetry of order 2. Symmetry of order 2, that is, first is in 180 degree and the second is 360 degree. Okay. So that's it for the symmetry. Hope you will understand what I want to tell you. So this is a small representation of my class or my lecture regarding symmetry. Hope you will understand it. That's it for this video. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep watching my channel. Do subscribe if you like my teaching, and for getting more math related video, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for getting notification. Thank you.